I said, I ain't no baller. Like, I don't got it like that, okay? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things girl. All things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. All those reasons why you should subscribe, and you should subscribe now. Stop playing with me, like, press the little button. So clearly I got real cute for y'all for just a small little haul. I am going to be taking some pictures too, so I had to get cute anyway, you know. But this is a small haul. This is just some of the things that I picked up during Black Friday at ULTA. Not a lot of things. I didn't ball out and go crazy. I only brought things that were interesting or maybe something I didn't have. But I didn't just overspend because, first of all, I don't have the coins to do that. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the haul. Feel free to drop some comments below. Let me know what you picked up at ULTA on Black Friday. I may have overlooked some things. I do take recommendations, so leave them in the comments. So let's go ahead and start with my haul. Like I said, it's very small, but we're going to start with fragrance. I got a 3-piece set from Philosophy. I love Philosophy. I've had their face wash, and I have a Philosophy perfume. I think it's called Rose something. I can't remember it right now. But this is the it's called the Fresh Cream set. And I got these. Let me pull it out of the bag. Sorry, it's so noisy. But it's just like a mini version of, let's see. This is the Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere. And it's also Fresh Cream. This one just says Fresh Cream. This one says Warm Cashmere, Fresh Cream, and this just says Fresh Cream. And these were, in the description, they said they were really good layering perfumes. You know, like how sometimes you like to mix perfumes, and supposedly these are very good things to mix and layer with. It also came with a Fresh Cream body lotion. So let me just open it so we can, you know, see what it's about. So this is kind of like a first impression as well. So let me open the Warm Cashmere. Small little cute box. Okay, so this is the Warm Cashmere. This is the little bottle here, so cute. I love Philosophy's packaging because it's so simple, straight to the point, nothing too fancy. They let the fragrance do all the talking, but I like that. This looks really good, you know, sitting on your vanity, so I like these type of bottles. And again, this is the Warm Cashmere. So based on the description, I'm assuming it smells, you know, creamy, a little bit of vanilla in it. This smells so good. This is so on point with like winter and like cold weather type of fragrances. It smells really cozy. It has like a vanilla scent to it, but I don't have anything that smells like this because I typically don't, none of my scents have vanilla, I don't think. This smells, I would buy the big bottle. This is a small bottle right now. I don't know if I would mix this with anything. It smells so good. Just like this. I guess it gives you the option to mix it. Maybe I'll just try it as an experiment and see, but girl, this smells so good as hell. Golly. Oh my God, this smells good. Hold on. I don't have on any perfume right now, so it just, this smells good. This is called Warm Cashmere. I would buy the big bottle of this, girl. The size of this is a 15 milliliter, 0.5 fluid ounce. So little and cute, but I think I should have the big bottle of this. Maybe once this runs out. Let me smell the other one. So this one was the Warm Cashmere. Then the other little one that came in it just says Fresh Cream. So let's see what that one smells like. Girl, this is nice. See, I like blind buys when it comes to scents because you like, you don't have any expectations. You just kind of want to smell it, and you're so excited to do it. It's almost like Christmas, and it's not even Christmas. So Fresh Cream. This is a bottle. Oh, sorry. This is a bottle. It's the liquid is clear. The other one had like a brown tint to it. When I see clear fragrances like this, I assume it's going to be really simple. So, let me spray it further up my arm because. Oh my God, this smells so good. It's really lightweight. It's nothing like nothing serious or whatever, but this is more vanilla. It's a vanilla, creamy, very light, fresh, sweet scent. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but I know it smells good as hell. So cute. So these are the Philosophy fragrances. This is the Fresh Cream set. Oh, the lotion. So I'm just pulling out the lotion. This is how it looks in the package. It just says Fresh Cream. This is a good amount. This can fit in your, depending on the size of your purse, of course. This can fit in your purse. And it is Fresh Cream. It says on the front, it says heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 teaspoons of confectioner's sugar in a bowl. Combine ingredients and beat until soft peak form. Top your favorite holiday treats, cakes, and toadies, whatever it is, with fresh cream, then enjoy. Body lotion. I don't know. Am I supposed to put this on food? Like, I was confused. I don't know. Anyways, let's smell it because it says it's body lotion. So let's go ahead and smell it. It's not too thick. It's not thin. It's not too thick, and it's not like thin either. It is pretty creamy. So let's go ahead and smell it. It's a super lightweight creamy. Like, I could have passed on the lotion, to be honest with you. The scent isn't enough, but it feels good. So I guess combined with the fragrances, it's good. But if you're looking for a nice scent to come through the lotion, it ain't there. It's not there. I smell a little teeny weeny cream, but it doesn't come through that much. But the texture of it feels great. Like, you know, the moisturizing part of this is the bomb. This is actually a cute little gift for someone, like I would say like a work friend, or like a, I don't know, a cute little stocking stuffer. But the fragrances now, they smell good. You can buy the big bottle for somebody you really like, you into. But the little small stocking stuffers, this will be really good. I love the way that smells. And I'm gonna get the Fresh Cashmere in the bigger bottle if that's the thing, if they have that. So the Philosophy was a hit, and that was a blind buy. I've never smelled that before. I just got it. I think it was, the set was like $30, and I was like, why not try it? It has 2 fragrances in it and a lotion that can fit in my purse. So that was a go. All right, so the next item that I got was in the makeup category. I got this is called the Chocolates by JUVIAS. This is an old palette, but it's new to me. This is how it looks here on the front. I'm just gonna get it open so we can take a look at the actual palette. So this is like a neutral-y palette for me. It's considered neutral because it's chocolate tones. So this, ooh, girl. I already saw 10 looks when I opened this. But this is how it looks here. Let me take this off. These are the colors. These colors look so good. Oh my God. These are my type of colors right here. Absolutely love this. Oh my God. This is so little and cute. Let me show y'all the front. This is such a small little, I hate bulky palettes. Damn, I hate bulky palettes. So this is a small one. Really cute. It has a little, it's a little magnetic. The only thing it's lacking is a mirror. Like, I would love a mirror in my palettes, but whatever. But this is called the Chocolates. So I am going to do some looks with this. If you want to see some looks with this, definitely drop a comment or request below. But I can see smoky, I can see neutral, I can see natural, I can see dramatic. I can see a lot with this, okay? Because I'm a visionary. I have an imagination and I'm very creative. If you ain't know, ask somebody. Google it. You know what? Let's swatch it. Like, I didn't want to disturb it, but I'm very curious and I really want to swatch it. Y'all probably want to see too if you've never had it. I'm going to swatch the first couple. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm acting surprised, because JUVIAS places does not play when it comes to pigment. So I just swatched the first 3. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Let me show y'all something. Let's see how it looks when I just swatch it. I'm not even gonna put too much pressure. I'm just gonna wipe it on my hand. Look how it swatches. Hold on. Focus camera, they need to see this. Look at this. Look at this. And look at all the pigment still on my fingers. JUVIAS Place does not play. They don't play when it comes to pigment. Now I gotta go wash my hands, but I'm here for this color in the middle. Oh my God. I get excited about makeup, obviously. But y'all got some looks coming on the way. I can see a New Year's Eve look coming when it comes to this, because New Year's Eve is very like smoky, glittery, you know, glamorous. The chocolates. Y'all might want to check that out. I got mine for, how much did I get it for? Hold on, let me grab my, because it was on sale. Does it show the price on this thing? Oh no, this is just the packing slip. So it doesn't have the price, but it was like, I know it was less than $10 for sure, because I brought it. So I'm gonna check what else we have in this box, because like I said, it's a small little haul. But let's see what we have. We have the LANCOME, the dual finish LANCOME Paris powder. I think it's like a powder foundation. I've never had, I don't think I've had a powder foundation. No, I'm lying. I've had the MAC Studio Fix powder. But I've wanted to try this for a while, and I just kind of forgot about it. And then when I saw it on sale during Black Friday, I was like, perfect time to get it. So this is the package. This is the package that it comes in. Did I show you the box? This is the box. I just pulled it out of there. But this is the box, okay? This is how it comes in, and I just pulled it out. So it's a pretty large compact. And let's see here. I hope this color is right. The color I got was 580C, something like that. So I think the color, she looking a little, no, she just looks orange on the camera. In person, no. It has a really pretty mirror that comes with it. I don't want to blind you, but I'm going to show you from the side here. So it has a nice mirror, okay? And it comes with the little, this was on top of it here. This is the powder. I'm going to swatch the powder a little bit just to see. Because, I don't know, she's looking a little bit. She's looking a little bit orange. Oh no, it melts. Whoa, it melts right into my skin. It's really velvety. It melted right into my skin. It looked orange to me, but I guess when you're just dusting the powder, it's not going to come off this orange, because I'm not going to wear this as a foundation. I'm just going to use this to set my liquid foundation. So it's going to be a light dusting. So this is a go. I'm going to, you know, of course, use it and let you guys know. You may see me use it in the next tutorial just so we can judge it together. But this is it. And you know, LANCOME is pretty expensive to me normally. I think this't is at full price almost $50, I think. But with the Black Friday sale, I think I paid $35 for it, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was $35. But I'll let you know how this goes. Right now, it feels very velvety and very like smooth. Of course, luxurious. It's LANCOME, so we'll see if it looks luxurious on my face though. But the little pieces that I did, you know, just now, it looked good. It looked really good actually. So let's get into the next. Okay, so the next item I got was a brow product. I've tried this before and I love it actually. And this is, I'm always getting eyebrow pencils because mine's finished really quickly. This is the Wet n Wild Micro Brow. That's this here. This is a really good brow pencil along with the LA Girl Slim Shady. They're very similar. I just think this color is just different. Okay, but this is it, how it looks here. And the color that I have is a deep brown, which is the closest to black without being black, because I'm not putting black in my eyebrows. Okay, so this is the pencil here. It's really slim. It has the retractable pencil here. Let me show you. The retractable pencil here. I'm going to make a little line on my, so you can see, let me just draw it so you can see. Pretty smooth. All right, and it's just a dark brown. And on the other end, just like most brow pencils, it has the spoolie here, so you can just kind of like brush through your brows before you put the product, and after you apply the product, you just use it to kind of like spread it through your, you know, your brow hair. So yeah, that's what I got. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, friend, that was it. I don't have any more stuff. Just when the party got started. But I don't have any more things because, like I said, I ain't no baller. Like, I don't got it like that, okay? That's what I picked up, and all those things were a go for me. I was not disappointed by anything. The philosophy philosophy fragrance was a surprise. It was an absolute surprise. I am so happy with it, especially the one that said fresh cashmere. That smells really good. It smells so cozy. I really love the way that smells. It's a nice calming, it's a sweet smell, but it's not that overbearing at all. Philosophy's fragrances aren't typically overbearing. It's a very lightweight type of scent. So I love their vibe. So I'm probably gonna love everything they put out, probably, okay? But I would definitely suggest that. That's a really great stocking stuffer, a great Secret Santa gift. Like for like a coworker or something like that, because of the size. You're not spending too much money, but it's still a nice gift. And the chocolates palette, y'all gonna hear more from the chocolates palette, okay? Because I'm in love with those colors. So the next makeup tutorial is gonna be involving any of those makeup products that was in this haul, which was the chocolates palette, the eyebrow pencil, as well as the LANCOME powder. So you guys will get an update on that. So I hope you enjoyed this very short video. I'm gonna get ready to take some pictures for Instagram. So you should follow me on Instagram so you can see these pictures, okay? I saw a pose from, I forget what the model, I don't know her name, but she's a Fashion Nova model and a plus size Fashion Nova model, and she took a picture on the ground, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna attempt that pose. The pose looks dangerous for me because first of all, it's on the ground. Anything on the ground for me is a girl. If I remember, I'm gonna insert her picture. I don't know how it's gonna go. Like if you don't see the picture, obviously the mission, I failed the mission and I could not achieve the look, but definitely follow me on Instagram for any other pictures that I post. I am very active on Instagram. I'll leave my link below, and I'll also leave my link to my business Instagram, because my business is going to be launching soon, which is Sugar Scoop Beauty. This is one of the glosses. So this weekend production starts. So I'm going to start doing the scrubs, the lip glosses, all of that stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you are wanting to support me and support my dream, or you just want to be popping with great lip gloss, you just want to be soft with great body scrub, you know, like it's a vibe. Okay, definitely don't forget to come back, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend, like, girl, stop playing with me, subscribe. Bye y'all.